Hello Kaiju fans on YouTube, it's me again, Godzilla80, with my new toy review. Today we have Aboras, an Ultraman Hayata Kaiju. You could see him in my last toy review, Vanilla's toy review, here. Yes, Aboras is 6-inch tall, and he had the same sculpture like Red King, only the head is different. Red King has a small head and Aboras has a very big head. The articulation: the arms can move 360 degrees, the legs can move 360 degrees, and the tail can also move 360. Yeah, the paint job, it's light blue, green blue vinyl with green highlights, and a red mouse inside, white teeth, white eyes. He is marked on 1983 by Bandai, and I have the tag. This. He is 60 meters tall, and on the tag is made in Japan 1992, but yes, they released it on 1992, but the mold is from Red King, I said, 1983. Yeah. The story of this guy is the same like Vanilla in my last review. The both monsters fight together and Ultraman fight them. Yeah, I want to see the size is 6-inch. I show you Ultraman for the preview here. And I think Vanilla is a little bit taller, maybe, yes, so. But the most Ultraman monsters are too small for the Ultraman figures. Yes, I would say this is finished, and I come back with my next toy review, and that is Geronimon. Bye.